Hello, I am Dr. Mohammad Mustashihin, and today I will show you the mixing of acrylic resin based materials. Acrylic resin is a polymer based materials. Basically, acrylic resin is a group of thermoplastic resins made by polymerizing esters of acrylic or methyl methacrylate acids. If we talk about the uses of the acrylic resin based materials, acrylic resin based materials are used to fabricate the dentures, artificial teeth, and tooth restorations, for example, inlay and postcode patterns, splints and stunts, and custom impression trays. If we talk about the composition of the acrylic resin-based materials, the powder of acrylic resin consists of polymethyl methacrylate, the main ingredient, and it also include initiator, which is benzoyl peroxide, plasticizer, and pigments, which include salts of iron, cadmium, or organic dyes. While the liquid of the acrylic, uh, which is monomer, it includes methyl methacrylate as a main ingredient, and initiator, which is hydroquinone, and cross-linking agent, which is ethylene glycodyl methacrylate. There are two types of the acrylic resin based materials. One is self cure acrylic, and other one is heat cure acrylic. The main difference between the self cure acrylic and heat cure acrylic composition is in the monomer of self cure acrylic, it has an activator, which is NNP toluidine, while the heat based acrylic resin materials uh, polymerize by uh, heat. Armamentarium required for the mixing of acrylic resin are acrylic denture based resin polymer powder, monomer, which is a liquid, deepen dish, a plastic scope to measure the quantity of powder, glass pipette to measure the volume of the monomer liquid, metal ceramic spatula for the mixing of the material, a lid cover to cover the deepen dish during the mixing of the acrylic resin materials, because monomer of the material can evaporate during the mixing, and obviously gloves and mask. Uh, Powder liquid ratio for the acrylic resin based material is 3:1, uh, which is three parts of the powder and one part of the liquid. For example, if we take 3 gram of this powder, and then we will add 1 ml of monomer liquid. First of all, I will wear the gloves, because the monomer can damage, can cause skin reactions, skin allergic reactions. And then we will wear the mask. First, I will take liquid with a monomer with the help of this pipette. Cover the bottle immediately because monomer can evaporate. I will add 1 ml of monomer into the deepen dish first. The rest of the monomer put back into the bottle. Close the bottle. No, I will take powder of acrylic resin with the help of this scope. Uh, I will take 3 gram of powder into this scoop. It is a pre-measured scoop which can have 3 gram of powder, acrylic resin based powder. No, I will add this powder into the monomer and start mixing with the help of a ceramic spatula. There are 5 physical stages of the acrylic resin-based materials, which are wet sandy stage, stringy sticky stage, doughy stage, uh, rubbery stage, and stiff stage. Immediately after the mixing of powder into the liquid, the first stage will come, which is wet sandy stage. This is the wet sandy stage. After mixing, I will cover the deep with the help of this lid and wait for the next stage, which is stringy stage. It will come after almost 1 minute. After 1 minute, we will check for the stringy stage. Here you can see the strings are formed. Here you can see the strings. It means stringy stage has arrived. No, we will cover this definition again and wait for the dough stage, which will take around 3 to 4 minutes uh, from the start of the mixing. After 3 minutes, we will check for the dough stage. You can see there's no strings furthermore, which means dough stage has achieved. We'll take out this material with the help of ceramic spatula. The importance of the dough stage is this is the only stage when material is moldable, and we use this material at this dough stage for the packing during the denture fabrication procedure. You can see uh, the dough stage of the material. It is it is like dough. Now we will wait for the rubber stage. This is the rubber stage of the materials. We cannot mold the material at rubber stage, and so we cannot use it at rubber stage. And the final stage of the material will be stiff stage. This is the whole procedure of the mixing of the acrylic resin-based materials used for denture fabrication. This is the whole procedure uh, of mixing of acrylic resin-based materials. Thank you so much.